Controller drift is still a pain, but the 2025 DualSense firmware update and a few tricks can get it back to perfect. Update controller firmware via settings, accessories, you're gonna find controllers, and then wireless controller device software button. Press it. Use compressed air to clean around the analog stick base. Go to settings, accessories, controllers, and then adjust dead zone and increase that threshold slightly. For deep drift, open PS5 save mode, go to rebuild database. It can fix calibration errors. If it's hardware wear, Sony now offers free stick replacements under extended warranty. Just check your region first. Sony's firmware level calibration tools finally make controller drift fixable at home, saving both time and repair costs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.